We started Myoshi Knives with the belief that cooking should be more than just an everyday task. It should be inspiring and passionate. Our vision was to create a high-end set of Japanese knives to reflect that passion for art, culture, and cooking, while adding elegance to your kitchen decor. While creating the Myoshi line, we wanted to use premium material in order to give something more organic, natural to the person cooking as an everyday task.
My name is Reed Young. I'm the chef and owner of restaurant Bistro Carambola in Hudson. As a chef, the stuff I look for in a chef knife as far as brand goes and as far as reliability, especially when I'm working with fish or vegetables. So what I find about these knives that make it exceptional in the value is obviously the weight of the knife that is balanced towards the front of the blade. It makes it easier, especially me. I like a heavier knife. They're insanely sharp, and I mean, they're beautiful to look at. As far as their design, it's original. So it's definitely something that I would recommend to an at-home cook or even a chef working in the industry like me. When you work a lot of hours, you need a tough blade that's gonna it's gonna handle, and you need something that's gonna remain sharp. It's a necessity in the industry.
As a professional sword maker, one of my main concerns really is the quality of the material used while making a sword or a knife. And I find that with the current available market, that is very limited. Sure, there are some really good Japanese knives, but the culture with the Japanese knives is that the grips, the handles, are always made of some sort of boring material. With the Myoshi line, we wanted to do something a little bit more organic. We offered premium material to make the blades, such as AUS 10 67-layer Japanese steel, but we also include a stabilized Canadian maple grip in order to bring out the beauty of the knife. What we wanted to do with Myoshi knife really is to create the 3 essential knives that you need in order to cook and cook properly in your home setting, and doing it well with proper material.
Individually handcrafted. 67 layers of premium AUS 10 Japanese folded steel. Hammered finished shoeshine to reduce the drag of the knife. Exclusive VG10 Japanese steel coated in titanium with taper ground razor sharp blade to last you a lifetime. Double bevel edge for both right and left-handed use. 16-degree edge angle for optimal sharpness. Beautifully finished, stabilized Canadian maple grips designed for exceptional handling. Perfectly engineered blade design and blade thickness for perfect balance. Being professional Japanese knives, we created the blades with a Rockwell hardness of 5860. This gives the knives an exceptionally good balance between toughness and resistance, while allowing for a razor-sharp and long-lasting edge. We decided to offer the 3 essential knives for your cooking experience, keeping a minimalism yet complete approach to your daily cooking.
While designing the Myoshi knives, the thing that we took into consideration was the stand. The problem with current stands is that they're not hygienic in the sense that once you finish cooking, you wipe off your blade, you might not see that there's still some blood residue or something. You slide it into your traditional knife holder. That residue is going to remain into your knife block. The reason why we used our design is because once you finish cooking, you wipe off your blade and you put it back on the magnetic block. This residue does not stick, does not stay in your block, and will not create bacteria. So why are we on Kickstarter? The designing and tooling are ready, but we need your help to bring this project to life and surpass the current available market. Right now, we need $40,000 to initiate the first production run of Myoshi knives. So what's in it for you? At full retail price, the Myoshi line of knives will run at $850. As a Kickstarter backer, you will get the full series knives, including the magnetized knife block, for just $450. We plan to deliver the first set of Myoshi knives for April 2020. We hope that you're as excited as we are about the series and help us bring this project to life. Thank you.